Alright, in this video we are going to be going over how to successfully remove a hub from a propeller. So if you look closely here, you can see there's two threaded holes right there and right there. What you're going to want to do after you have removed all of the bolts that are securing the hub down, you're going to want to get a bolt. The ones that I've got here are probably about 3 inches long. It doesn't necessarily have to be that long, but you want it to be long enough so that it will span that distance that you see there, that gap that's down below, right in there, and put enough pressure to be able to start drawing this hub up and out of its seated position there. So, as you can see, we've removed the 3 securing bolts from the hub itself, and I've gone ahead and threaded down just by hand the 2 bolts that we're going to be using to retract the hub. So those have been threaded down until they make contact with the surface of the propeller there, and now we're in a position where we can start to ratchet down and begin retracting. So you're going to want to put even pressure on both sides, and you should start to feel the tension itself begin to relieve itself, and it'll get to a point where you should be able to actually just do it by hand. Now, there it is. We've extracted the hub from the propeller, and a couple things to point out. Out in the field, you may run into an issue where the threading has been stripped out of this hub here. And if that is the case, then you're going to want to drill that hole out to the next size up, re-tap it, and then grab a bolt that'll fit that threading there. Also, as you can see, I've put some never sees on the bolts themselves. That just helps things to move along smoothly. Also, if things have kind of seized up quite a bit, and if it's an older hub that's going to be on there, some penetrating lubricant would be a good idea. Just apply that in there, allow it to settle in, and then you can move forward with using the bolts and retracting the hub. So, there it is. That's how you successfully remove a hub from a propeller.